I don't understand why it. Hey.
Hey, I don't know what's up. It's just it. I don't know. It was just asking to watch, but not to join.
Yeah. So the only thing that it does. I hope it's still recording.
Yeah, I can see you because I'm watching you right now eating. So.
Oh, you are. Yeah. It's so dumb though. Like. It gives me the option to invite you, but it doesn't say to invite to join or invite to watch. It just says.
Because sometimes when you do invite me, it's sometimes it asks for me to join, sometimes it asks for me to just watch, and so I don't know what you click that's different, but like it's like every now and then.
So weird.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Hey, so I just watch a little bit of like last week's video, and. I'm so sorry. Remember, there's like a little like 3 or 4 minutes where like all these people come in my room, and then all these like 3 minutes where like these people come in my room and like we're just all talking, and you're just like sitting there, just like smiling.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
Sam, we have to do the math thing. That's why I have to do tonight. Okay, so. You want to just record it here, or like, what do you want to do?
So I still have the broadcast up. So it's just recording us talking right now.
Okay, sweet.
And I'll just post that video, and if they've got a problem with that, then I don't know what to tell them.
Okay. So.
Hold on one second.
Okay. Were you really mad at that? Like, Elliot posted that video. It was not. Like, don't post it. But you're probably joking. I posted it. I'm serious. That's not much. I know that the Asian jokes bug me, so I like stop. You know, like. Well, it doesn't bug me that much, but it's just like when you use it extensively, it bugs me. So, like, if I know someone doesn't like something, I stop.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, it's like, it's just. All right, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's open up the quiz.
Okay.
So I read the whole review.
I did too.
I liked it. Was really like very much like set out like the reviews for each chapter is nice. So that was cool.
That was. Let's see, wait, let me get there real quick.
Okay, this is like a little test. Jeez.
Yeah,
Yeah, I looked at it a little bit, and it's pretty long. Pretty long. Pop, pop. Okay.
Okay, so the first two, yeah, those are our own.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So false and false. You paused me? Oh,
You paused me first.
dude.
I saw it.
All right. So number 3, which of the following variable is our categorical? Brand, age and years, A and B. It's randomly selected brand of toothpaste. For sure.
So I'm looking at the review questions on the thing, and it says, are those not with the answer? Oh, that's the, nice.
I'm sorry. Well, you're actually looking at the screen, my bad.
I was, yeah. Oh, I see what it's saying. It doesn't have the answers. I was looking at the review page on the wiki thing, and it's like, has that exact question.
Really?
Yeah, so you think it's randomly selected brand of
For
toothpaste?
sure. Yeah, it's for sure. Because number of animals, that's obviously not categorical. That's quantitative. Age and years, that's quantitative. And A and B is not right because one's quantitative, one's categorical. So it's randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
Okay.
Number 4, the mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected stat students took the IQ test, and the mean of their score was 112. Which of the following statements is true? I was reading about parameters and statistics earlier. It would be 100 because that's the mean IQ test scores would be the parameter, and then 112 would be the stats.
So 100 is the parameter, 112 is the statistic?
Yep, because 112 is the mean of the students who took the test, whereas the 100 is the mean of the whole U.S.
Okay.
Yep. District, the property, blah blah blah. They considered. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the? That is definitely a stratified sample.
Okay. Oh wow, there's like 4 questions on that.
Number 1, 6, right?
Yeah. When designing experiments or connecting school system research and nature, yes, you can manage select teachers of.
I think that's cluster sample. Let's see. Yeah. Teachers. Because at first I thought it was either systematic or stratified random sample, but I realized it's asking the experiments they conducted using all the students in the selected classes. So it's not asking about the randomly selected teachers. So it'll be the cluster sample, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Yeah, because it's definitely not SRS. It's definitely not systematic. Because it says a stratified sample divides data into similar groups, and an SRS is taken from each group. So we're only looking at one group, right?
Yep.
So yeah, it's a cluster then. It's gotta be. Okay.
For sure.
At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered at the end. 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? Voluntary response sample, that's not a real answer, so.
It would be SRS.
Okay. SRS is usually done with a computer though, isn't it? That's what I thought, remember reading.
Not necessarily. It could be usually done with it could be sometimes done with a computer, but it can just be anything like random, like simple random, like drawing out of a hat or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
A special interest group is
I know you
conducted.
do. You took this. This is
take right.
Yeah, that's why. Because I can.
Okay, so a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves. Opinions research took a list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple.
It's either systematic or stratified.
I'd say stratified. I don't think that one is systematic.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think stratified as well.
Because it's an SRS, and an SRS is taken from each group, so it's 100 Democrats and 100. Oh, wait.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's stratified random sample. You're right. Okay. A survey was taken of the purchase of the Crossroads. Open the data file Crossroads. Okay. So I'm gonna open it.
Okay, hold on. Let's see.
Bro, you paused me.
I did.
So you gotta
Okay, let's see. So did you just go to that main page to get the
yeah.
data files page?
Mm-hmm.
Did you download the Excel or is it in SPSS?
Well, the thing is, if I do SPSS, I have to tunnel into the other computer, and that would probably, I feel like, that takes a little bit. So do you have it open SPSS?
Let's see. Crossroads purchases.
Yep.
Let's, I got it to work once. Have you used it a little bit?
Yeah, I did. I tunneled it in to use SPSS on that computer.
Okay, let's see. Because don't. So I have it open, and then what I do? I forgot. Let's see. Go to insert. No. And isn't there a. Where do I run? Dang it.
Okay, it's okay, I got it.
Well, I'm curious where, because I know there's like there's a button you click and then it takes you to like where you can find the mean, median, all that kind of crap.
Yeah.
Where is that button? Do you remember?
You go up on, it's one of the tabs, I remember it, like, it's like, I have to see it. I'm not tunneled in, but,
Oh, run descriptive statistics.
yeah, that's it, I think. So it sounds like it.
What did you get for the mean? Is it 4.7711?
Give me 1 second. I got 4.771. Sorry, 4.771.
Okay. Calculate the deviation of these data. It's 1.912.
Yep. Got it. Pretty simple.
Make a histogram real quick.
Yep.
That's true. Jessica, Mary, and her research there's a temperature of sample diving elephants.
Okay. Okay, so just come in.
Oh, so we need to find the mean first, yeah.
Yep, that's easy, right? That's pretty
This
easy.
is an
So,
easy one.
eh,
Do you want me to do it real fast?
no, I got it. So it'd be, so it'd just be, yeah, just add those four numbers together and divide by 4, and it would do 37 minus that number. 37.91 minus that number, which would be negative 0.165.
37.09 minus that number.
Yeah,
You got negative 0.985.
no, negative 0.165. Yeah, because it's 37.91 minus 38.075. So it's negative 0.165.
Oh yeah, I see.
Okay. And the standard deviation for the
Wait,
first
sorry.
one,
So what did you put for that first for number 12? It's negative 0.
0.165.
Okay. And then this other one, you just take the.
Yeah, it's just squared. I just did it. It's 0.681.
Okay.
Okay. What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviation column? Ooh. I don't know this one. It's not variance, I know that. Yeah, it's not variance. Is it the standard deviation? No, I don't think it's the mean either. Yeah, come on.
The variance of a quantity is related to the average sum of squares.
It's not the variance for sure.
It's not. Okay.
No.
What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers? I hate that they put that as like an answer though. That's stupid.
Yeah.
What is the standard deviation of these temperatures?
Um, 37.91, 37.25. I'm figuring it out right now.
Okay.
Zero 0.7151.
0. Point what?
So it'd be 0.7. Sorry, it'd be 0.715.
0.715. In the same study.
Blah blah. Themselves in the thermistors and 6 other seals. Okay, so we have the locations that they put on the seals. We have the sample size. We have the mean. We have the SD. Which location results in the most consistent temperature measurement from one seal to another? Well, the lowest standard deviation is 0.577, which is Extraduro. So that's it.
Okay, cool.
18 is true. 19. Number of hours students have been studying for exam were recorded. What is the third quartile? That's easy. That's 8. Percentage of the data lies between 4 and 8 hours. 4 and 8. That's right in the middle with us. 50%.
That's 50%?
Yeah, because it's right in the middle. So between 4 and 8, so that's 6, so 50%. Observation. There are several contaminants in how cities was nitrate concentration above 10 ppm. The health risk. Estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration in respect to drinking water. Okay, so let me calculate that real quick.
So the 159 is 2 standard deviations away from the mean?
Yeah, well, it'd be. Give me 1 second.
let me see. Is it 2.055?
Yeah, that's what I got. Is that, it's, wait, is that, yeah. That's right.
And then the standard deviation is 0.23. Is it 3 decimal places?
Yes,
Oh, so it's-
0.233.
Is it, well, 0, right?
Yeah, 0.233.
2, 3, 3. Yep, okay. Between what two measured nitrate concentrations do 60%, 68% of the values lie? So it's not B,
It's not A.
it's the last one, I think.
Yeah, 1.822, 2.288.
Yeah.
What is the value of the mean of the standard normal distribution? That'd be 0, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be 0.
What is the value of the standard deviation of a standard normal distribution? Is it 1?
1. That'd be 1. Man. Okay, what is properly done? Randomly select will score above a 542.3 on the GMAT. Well, the mean is 542.3. So it'd be 50%, so 0.5.
Okay. We'll score below 600. So this is where, when we were working on our stuff last week, this got tricky, didn't it?
Yeah. Let me get the outlet thing out. That would help.
Because we'll have to do that. There's that long formula, right, with the z-score and the
Yeah, I think.
like value minus the mean over standard deviation.
Yeah.
Losing my mind. Okay, below 600. So
We need the applet, I'm pretty sure. Where's the applet?
so the applet will give us both the answers to 27 and 28, won't it?
Yeah. Yep.
I have it bookmarked.
Okay, I got it. So,
I did have it bookmarked. Oh, I just found it by doing like in my little search bar, just typed applet.
yeah. Okay, cool.
Let's see. So do you put 600 for the value then?
No, because we have to find. No, we have to find the z-scores first, I think. Yeah, we gotta do. Work it out real quick.
Okay. Does it say how many students?
Yeah. It says there are. Well, I don't think you need the number. Well, actually, It's the square root of n.
Yeah, so isn't n the number of...
Selected. So n would be, in this case, n would be what would n be in this case? $600? I think n would be 600.
But n is the sample size.
Yeah, but unless you see any other n. Divided by, so yeah, we can scroll down these scores and then 150, 25. Well, I think we use a different equation with it. I think we use the x minus mean over standard deviation.
Without using the n?
Yeah, so you do
600
you use 600.
minus 542 divided by 120.54.
Yeah, minus 542.3 divided by 120.54. Yeah. What do you get for that?
0.4786.
Wait. 0.4786.
Yeah, so that's the z-score, right?
Second. And it wants it below. It wants it below to 60, right? Below 600.
Yeah, so it should get 0.316? Or does it have us round it? Let's see. Round at 3 decimal places. 0.316?
Yep.
That's right?
Wait, that's a. No, I think you're doing above. This is below, so it'd be 0.684.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, and then above is 0.316.
0.684, and then
316.
Okay, so I bet the test will probably look like that. So just remember when you take it, not to use the n. Which I guess if they don't give you the n, it kind of is the same one. You just like square root of 1, and it's the same. But okay, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will? Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong one.
Wait, what number are you on? I'm on 29.
Yeah, I was reading the wrong one.
Oh, okay. Find a GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile. So we should find the 10th percentile. Wait, so it's